Hello friends, welcome to the session. So in last session we saw the difference between class name and class and why using class is restricted in JSX. And in this session we will see more JSX restrictions. So we already know one restriction is we should use class name instead of class. And going into the next restriction is that we cannot return two elements from one component. Like here if I write another h1 and here is one element and here is one element, see this function app is returning two elements div and h1. So this is an error. See the here is error is saying JSX expression must have one parent element. So JSX always return only one parent element, and there is a React solution for this error, for this fixing. We will get into that later on in the course. So for now we just wrap these two in one div, and inside this div we can do this. So now we have only one parent element for one JSX component. So this should work pretty well. So now getting into more restrictions, there is a key prop. I know you might not know about the props. What is props? So this will be covered in coming videos. But getting in restrictions, we must say one restriction that prop is an attribute whatever we can pass here, like name is equal to something. We can give any of the attribute to the component, and that will be props. So here we can give name is equal to something, and this will be props. And in props we can give anything but not this key is equal to something. This will not work because this key is also reserved keyword, and React listen to the change in the object using this key. We will get into that later in the course. And also we cannot use ref is equal to something. This ref can be used, but there is some strategy to use it. So normally we don't use ref is equal to something in the element. So these are the JSX restrictions we should know. So this all for this session. Now in another session we will install create React app and build our first hello world React application from create React app, and we will know what the create React app is also. So thank you for watching guys.